What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the United Electrical LED emergency lamp. With that said, let's get started. So around the box we have information about the light. Let's open the box to see what else we have. The first thing that we have is the charger, and underneath the charger we have the light. And that was all that was in the box. The charger is quite long. It is 1.5 meters long. Now the light has a sleek and modern design. It has 44 LEDs that gives you 280 lumens of light. The 2500 mAh battery gives you about 5 to 6 hours of light, which is not bad. The battery takes 12 to 20 hours to charge. On one side you have a 4-volt charging port, and above that you have an indicator which tells you what state the light is in. On the other side you have a switch with 3 modes: bright, medium and off. The light also comes with a holder so that you can hang the light. I've had this light now for about 4 months and it has worked well during load shedding. I wish it came with a USB port that you could use to charge your phone. I would definitely recommend this light. It has never let me down, and for the price it's quite fair. And that concludes this video. I know that this week's video was very short. I'll make a longer one next week. But if you enjoyed the video or found it informative, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I publish a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.